Hi back, welcome guys. I believe many players can wait for 11th June. Some are excited for the event, some can wait for the companion system, and me, of course, I can wait for job balancing and fourth job for Ninja Blade. In the next patch, many classes will be balanced, and last wave of the class finally obtained the fourth job. In my previous video, I have shared my thoughts about the balance skill for Ninja Blade. Now time to share my thoughts on my preview of the fourth job skills. Without further ado, let's check this video. Happy watching! There are 6 new skills that obtain from fourth job, 3 passive skills and 3 active skills. Now all skills already inherit shadow attribute. And together with balancing job patch that also change neutral attribute factor to become weapon attribute, so we don't have to think about combine the neutral and shadow attribute anymore. All in shadow attribute. Before we talk about skills, to make it easier to understand, you have to know several terms related to ninja skills as follows. Mirror image. The mirror image is generated from the shadow clone passive, which do damage 30% from the original damage and can be leveled up by increasing shadow equipment level. Dark image. The dark image is some kind of self-buff that generated every time the mirror image summoned. Each stack will give you shadow attribute enhancement and stackable up to 5. Nightmare. The Nightmare is a debuff skills which triggered by chance every time the mirror image from shadow clone hits the enemy. Now let's talk about the skills. The first skill is called Mirage Legion. This skill will add the number of mirror image from shadow clone passive to become 2 and deal same amount of damage with the another mirror image. By default, in the shadow equipment level 8, the mirror image will deal 45% from the original damage. So in simple way, Mirage Legion will add another 45% damage. It means every time our shadow clone triggered, will add almost 2 times damage in total. Very promising, right? Another effect of the Mirage Legion is, every time the mirror image summon, it will give you 1 stack of dark image to your character. Dark image will give you shadow attribute enhancement up to 5 stacks. So, if you didn't have Mosquito Girl pet, you don't have to worry now. This skill will help you obtain shadow attribute enhancement. The second skill is Shadow Nightmare. Every time mirror image from shadow clone hits the enemy, it will give them 1 stack of Nightmare, which will add P damage reduction and healing effect. Stackable up to 5. Each stack also will give random debuff of Fear, Slow, and Blind to the enemy. Fear. Yes, correct. It's Fear. In PvP, it will be helpful to make your enemy stand still, while your Reaper will make them instant dead. Third skill is Shadow Flash. You will unleash Flashing Slash within 4 meters radius and applying armor break on them. There are 2 interesting facts in these skills. First, it will blink to the target like Final Strike, so we don't have to waste anymore by walking slowly to reach back to our target after releasing the final strike, vice versa. Finally, the missing puzzle has found. Second, it will debuff an enemy with armor break. So together with Shadow Nightmare skills, we will obtain 3 out of 5 debuff that provided by Bijo's armor. You can see my another video to see how Bijo's armor work. Fourth skill is Shadow Infiltration. When the target reaches 5 stacks of Nightmare, the dark image from your body will pierce the enemy and transform into Shadow Strike, give them Shadow attribute damage and remove all Nightmare stuck on them. If the description described correctly, these skills only remove the Nightmare stuck. But the dark image still remain. This skill is another passive damage resource for us. Fifth skill is Shadow Shiver. By consume all dark image stacks to unleash powerful across 10 times 6 area and return to your position. The damage will increase depends on how many dark image stacks you have. This is the ultimate skill of Ninja Blade, I think. Shadow Shiver can combine with Iaijutsu Strike when trapped in skirmish during KVM or GVG. Last skill is Shadow Dance. This is the most unique skill. In the description, seems like a passive skill, but the shape of icon skill is rounded, which means it is an active skill. Okay, we will figure it out later. Now let's treat this skill as an active skill first. When you have dark image stuck in your body, you can choose to use Shadow Shiver or Shadow Dance. When you use Shadow Dance, you can trigger the hiding effect of Shadow Slash, North Wind, and Chaotic Dance without need to enter the stealth mode. Finally guys, we can do Shadow Slash without hiding. When the Shadow Dance active, it also gives you damage taken reduction and also will save you from the fatal blow. Of course, with certain prerequisite situation. So what do you think? Is the 4th job skills of Ninja Blade is good or bad for you? For me, together with the balancing job patch, Ninja Blade surely got significant performance. Now, we just have to wait the coefficient calculation as well as the fixed cooldown for each skill. Anyway, to make you more easier to understand how the skill work, here I give you skill scenario diagram for you. So I think that's all. Now I can't wait to try this 4th job in 11th June. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day, fellas.